Bye.
Bye, I love you.
Have a good trip.
You're gonna eat great.
We are?
You are.
Okay.
I got something special coming for you.
Okay, good. Thanks.
It won't just be frozen meals and fast food.
That's good.
Yeah.
All right. Love you.
Love you.
Drive safe. Say bye, Mom. Bye.
You ready? What are you doing?
What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Ace's Stuff and Things.
Oh, that's what we're doing?
This is my kitchen now.
Oh, okay.
I cooked in it for the last 5 days.
Yeah.
You know, well, not the while you were gone. So
Yeah.
it's kind of like this is my domain. This is what I do.
Is this what you guys signed up for?
I've become a professional chef.
Oh.
Well, I cooked meals that were prepared by professional chefs. Like
The recipes were.
the recipes were prepared by professional chefs, and I cooked them.
Look at you.
Are you impressed?
I'm so impressed. I want to see it.
Do you want to see the meals that I cooked?
I do.
Okay.
I have to go, so you guys are just going to come with me. My purse is there. This is my life. Okay, now we can go. Got the purse. Ready? I am so proud of Asa because he cooked HelloFresh 4 out of the 5 days that I was gone. So thank you, HelloFresh, for sponsoring today's video. I'm just taking a picture because if this is not the most beautiful thing ever, I love Florida in fall. I mean, it's like 80 degrees. We're in shorts and flip-flops, but it's fall. I am headed to get Miss Abigail from school, and I'm so excited because we get to have a fall activity today. So I don't know about you guys, but everything has felt so rushed this year, and I feel like we're missing out on all the things and their traditions for our family. Yeah, so I cannot wait to start doing all of these fall things, and of course we have to get fall cooking happening. I want to know what's your favorite fall recipe that you make. But speaking of cooking, like, what did you make for you and Abigail while I was gone?
Well, not chicken nuggets in the frozen chicken nuggets. I can tell you that. It was actually really great. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna cook all these meals. You know, Priscilla has this video that's sponsored by HelloFresh coming up, so I figured I would do all these meals and stuff, right? And it turns out like I was looking forward to it, and then Abigail started getting excited when I pulled that brown paper bag out of the fridge.
That's super
cute.
cute.
Yeah, it was really cool. Like, she's like, okay, I know what's happening. We're having a legit meal, you know, and an actual sit-down dinner, which was neat because you were gone for 5 days.
Right.
So that was, you know,
Well,
it was a lot.
I think the biggest thing I like about it is that it gives you the variety.
Right.
Because you don't, like, that's not what you do. You
Right,
don't do
right.
variety. You can cook, but you're not really into big and variety, so this gives you the option to do that and lets you try things that maybe you didn't try before.
I know how to make food hot, but I don't know, like, seasonings and, like, you know, combining flavors and stuff like that, which HelloFresh does for you.
Correct.
Which I like. A few other things I really like. So being able to, like, I had the bag right there on the counter. Actually, I cooked for me and Abby and Crystal and Emily.
Oh, okay.
Yep. One of the meals I cooked for all 4 of us, they were going to bring food over, and this barbecue place they were going to go to was actually closed. So I was like, well, I can just cook because I have these meals. So I cooked for all 4 of us. Emily went to throw away my bag, the brown paper bag they come in. I'm like, no, that's my trash bag. So all of your trash and scraps and everything like that can go in there, which actually I'm going to start composting the food scraps for our new garden.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea.
But it's always impresses me because when you put everything in that bag and you squash it down, like, it takes up so little space. There's so little waste from it. Not just trash waste, which it's all recyclable, but also food waste. Like, there's no food waste from it.
Well,
you use every part of the ingredient.
I love that because I'm so bad at, like, I cook way too much.
Right.
And this is perfect, but they do have options. So we typically get the 4-person meal, and then we have leftovers for Abigail's lunch the next day. So I love that. You can also, if you have special dietary needs, maybe calories, or I think they have a vegetarian option. So things like that, that's awesome too. So you can use it for a lot of different things.
And I mean, I tend to overeat when we cook. And that's usually my problem. I love how it's the portioning of this.
Control,
and it's perfect. Like, it doesn't leave me feeling hungry. You know, I know like this is how much for me, this is how much for Abby, and this is for leftovers. So Abby and I both could have lunch the next day, and a good lunch too. I'm not stopping at, you know, a fast food joint, you know, while I'm running errands or whatever. I actually have a home cooked meal to take. And yeah, she was loving it, taking it to school the next day.
Yeah.
So good. I think my number one thing though, the most important thing to me was the time savings.
Oh, yeah.
I was busy. You know, taking Abby to school every day and doing my normal job and you know, the house stuff and taking care of the animals and all that. Like, the amount of time that it saves you not having to go to the grocery store is incredible.
Oh, you would have never had time to go to the grocery, and then you would have, you know, I needed to have things ready for you
Right.
before I leave, which is I typically do, but
Yeah.
this just makes it convenient, because then you can make it when you're ready to on your schedule, because as we all know, our kids are not on a, you know, some days are harder than others,
Yeah.
and so you may have to delay dinner, and this just makes it easy.
And the fact that I can whip these up in, it was like 20 to 25 or 30 minutes
right.
for every single meal that I cooked. Done. Like,
I'm
on
not-
the plate.
Something else that's really cool with HelloFresh is that you're able to stop, like if you go on vacation or something like that. So if you and Ab, when you guys go with me, we can stop our subscription
Right.
for a week.
Cancel it
and
at
hold
any time. Stop
Yep.
it. There's no contract to sign up or anything like that, which is great. So Priscilla saw the videos that you guys saw of the meals that I cook. What do you think?
I'm impressed.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah.
So you guys can get 14 free meals across your next 5 boxes by using code SILLASSTUFFANDTHINGS14. Just go to the link down in the video description, click there, and use that code SILLASSTUFFANDTHINGS14. It should be ACESSTUFFANDTHINGS14.
Are you trying to like get me out of my job or?
No, I'm just saying, like, I did like all of it, so it's the thing.
Oh, the bumps.
It's bumpy.
It is bumpy. Isn't that weird?
Oh, this is the shot. Oh my god.
Fall activity number 1, check. Pumpkin patch. But I gotta know, what do you guys want to see first? I guess you can kind of look at it as a self-care thing. You know, for me, it brings me joy, and that's a self-care thing for me, to decorate and cook. And as you can see, I have no decorations, and I haven't been cooking for the holidays. So we're gonna change that. It is 11 o'clock, and I'm just now getting off of a live, which I think is part of my problem. I have been so busy that I've put things that I love on the back burner. So I know I talked about it before, but let me know, what do you want to see? Like, do you prefer the recipes or decorating, or what is it? What do you prefer? Because I know this weekend I'm gonna have to do some cooking, and I'm gonna decorate, because that's what brings me joy, and I know that I need to add those things to my plate, because it's not already full enough. I'm just gonna do it. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with us. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys.
You hated it, huh? You want more? I think we're good. It was good. 10 out of 10? Thumbs up. Yeah. What? What? Cookie. Why do you think you get cookies every night? Is it because you have gotten cookies every night? Created a monster.